What's up everybody, this is Jay, and this is a 600 gaming PC build. If you're low on your budget this month, but you want to build a machine that can run all the games that are coming this year like The Elder Scrolls Online, Mad Max and others in very high settings and in 1080p, this is the build for you. Let's begin with it. The processor will be a AMD FX 63000. This is a 6-core CPU with 3.5 GHz that goes up to 4.1 in turbo mode. Also, you can overclock if you wanted to. The price of this one is $120. For the motherboard, I choose the MSI 970A G46 with 4 slots of memory that supports up to 32 gigs of RAM and a dual channel support. SLI or Crossfire is also able with this board that costs $60. The memory is a G.Skill Ripjawz X DDR3 1600. With 2 models of 4GB, 8 gigs of RAM will be enough for you to play your games. The cost of this one is $73. For storing your games and other stuff, the Western Digital Caviar Blue with 1TB of space will serve you just fine. The cost of this one is $60. The video card will be a Radeon R9 270X from MSI. This AMD card has 2 gigs of RAM and a memory interface of 256-bit. For a low budget build, this is a very good choice of graphics card to go with it. The cost of this one is $229. The power supply is a Corsair CX 600M with 600 watts, a 80+ bronze certification and a semi-modular cable system. This power supply is a great choice that costs $70. The case will be a Cooler Master HAF 912. This case has a great cost benefit and it costs $50. All the links for you to buy the parts will be in the description below. Note that the prices may change with time. I've made other videos showing other builds that you can do with more or less money than this one. You can check them out clicking in the annotation on the screen. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave your comment below. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Thanks for watching and until the next video.